Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to reduce photo size on iPhone. Well, first go to your settings and then you just need to find your camera settings. So scroll down until find the camera right from here and then tap on that and basically tap on formats. And here, as you can see, you will find two options. You can choose either high efficiency or most compatible. But as you can see here, it says to reduce the size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency format. So you just need to select the high efficiency to be able to reduce your photo size. But the second way here, if you don't want to change your settings or option right over here, you can use different applications. So you can go to your app store and basically download and install an app that can reduce the photo size of your iPhone. So basically here, go to App Store and just need to download and install this compressor photos and pictures. So as you can see here, it has a 4.8 high rating. So basically just download and install this to your iPhone. And once you download this application here, so basically let's open and see how it works. And here, just tap on that application. And here, just need to select photos to compress. So for example, this one. So just need to select this, tap on that select button right here at the top right hand corner. And then we're gonna tap on that photo and tap on that next. And here, as you can see, you can change the photo quality right there at the top. You can reduce it. You can swipe it to reduce the photo quality. And basically, you can also reduce the photo dimensions or the size of the photo. So for example, we compress it here. And basically, as it compresses the photo, it will show you some ads that pops up on your window or your screen. As you can see, you just need to close this one. Tap on the close button right here at the bottom part of your screen. And after that, as you can see, it is now compressed. So before it's 2.8 MB and now it's 51 KB. So yeah, that's how you basically reduce photo size on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.